Hi dear, so I'm going to show you how I made this pleated turban. Now it's going to be going in between this one and the rose, the flowered one that you saw, because I couldn't find where I dropped the video of that one. But anyway, let's get started. So anyway, here is back to the rose one. I have my measurement 23 on the stretchy part and 20 on the non-stretchy part. 23 is for the head circumference. Okay, so on the 20 I'm going to be dividing it into 2 inches. I'm going to be marking it into 2 inches from one side to the end. Okay, and that's what you see me do. Keep watching and learning. Once I'm done tracing it complete, the next thing I'm going to do is to take it to the sewing machine, and this is what I'm going to be doing. On those parts that I traced, I'm going to be folding it and sewing it a little along that line, like so. Once you're done, this is what you get to see. Can you see? As if it's pleated. Very lovely, isn't it? Okay, so now I have my band, which is 5 by 23 inches, and I'm going to be placing it like this to take it to the sewing machine. Take note. Alright, so once you're done, I take it to the sewing machine and I sew it. Okay, now it's done, so I bring it back and I'm going to fold it into 2 like this. And sew again on the sewing machine like so. All right. Turn it inside out. Next thing I'm going to sew it like so. Just take note of how I'm sewing it. Keep watching and learning. That's how I made this pleated turban. Hope you gained value. If you did, please do give me a thumbs up and do click the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And if you want to see more turban designs, click this next video.